Hello, my friends. TeresaLouise here, and look what I got today, my sew sampler box. So let's take a look. This will be for January. Yay. I hope. I hope that's what month it is. Oh, very pretty. Grow kindness. That is a good saying. I like that saying. Okay, let's see what we have. We always have something on the back of here. I don't always use them, but they are there. Sometimes you get free stuff, sometimes a discount. So we have a free Daisy Bees Knees book stand. Cool. With $80 order. Okay. So I can't show you because it has promo codes on there. And $5 off any 5-inch stacker from Riley Blake. Good, 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 good. Okay, let's see what we have in here. Oh, wow. You get a little card, tells you everything that comes in the box. So I'll just set this aside so I can see what the prices are. And I'll just give you a little peek, quick peek. Looks like a pretty good box. All right. Ooh, hey, what do we have here? Looks like a pair of glasses. Looks like we have a Lori Holt box. Pair of glasses, cute. I've seen these from Lori Holt. Very cute. Get a little glass case. Get a case and a pair of glasses. These are readers, if I didn't say. Oh, these are cute. And I do need readers. I definitely use readers. Look at the pretty blue color. These are 2.5. Oh, hey. Yeah. I like that color. I can't see me. Well, I can see me, but it's blurry. Um, yeah, I like that color. Kind of goes with my shirt. And hey, they work really well. Really pretty case. And it's got this, you're just supposed to squeeze it. Yeah. Okay. I like those. Woo. All right, let's see how much those are. $9.74 for the case and the glasses. I don't think that's too bad. Okay, let's take a look at the next thing. Ooh, this is pretty. We got a pin cushion. Isn't that cute? This one goes on your wrist. Ooh, I like that. All right, I gotta open it. But I need my paper scissors. I've already ruined one pair of fabric scissors, so I don't want to do that again. Nice and soft. And oh, isn't that cute? And goes on your wrist. Okay, way too big for my wrist. So I'd have to sew it or something to tighten that up. Yeah, it doesn't have a way to tighten it. But, I wear these for when I'm doing long arming. They're kind of handy. But let me know in the comments, do you wear something like this when you're sewing? It is so cute. I really like it. Okay, let's see. This is $4.74. That's not bad. Okay, what else we have? Of course, we have the fabric. I'm going to save that for last. Ooh, we have some papers. Quilt Block Foundation Papers, Vintage Block Series number 1. Going to be 6-inch, and it's going to be that kite block. That's cool. You get 42 sheets in here. That's what they look like. So there you go. I might have to try that. I love this fabric, you guys. Okay, let's take a look at the fabric. We got Lori Holt's Calico. And not only one, but two charm packs. Awesome. Okay, I'm going to open this one. Shows you all the fabrics on the back. So I'll open this one. Sorry about the noise. But you know how that stuff is. Ooh, this is so pretty. All right, here's the back. Look at all those pretty colors. And these are, for two of them, $21.96. And those papers were, let me see. The papers are $10.98. So two of these, awesome. These are really pretty. They look a lot better in person than on the back, I'm sure. Look at this one, it's really cute. It's red with little white dots, and then it's got little chickens on it. Isn't that cute? Yeah, I like this line. Very pretty. Okay, the next thing is the pattern. It's called Wheelbarrow. It's a table runner, and of course you use those foundation paper piecing pieces. This is very cute. I like it. I don't usually make table runners because I don't have a place to put them, but that would also make a really cute quilt, and they don't give you an option for a quilt, but I think it would be pretty easy to figure out. Yeah, I like it. It's pretty. Okay, and that is probably $9.98. Yep. And then the block of the month is Bliss Quilt along with Fig Tree. And that, let me show you, it's usually a bigger picture over here. Yeah. That's really cute. I like that. These blocks are 10.5 inch, I believe. Have you guys started? Do you get this? And have you been doing the block of the month? I haven't even started it, but I have kept them all. Okay, so that's what's in the box. So the block of the month is $4.98, and I believe you can get this at the Fat Quarter Shop. You cannot get the pattern because it's exclusive to this box. So we got those two patterns, two charm packs, a really cute pin cushion, and the glasses. So that was what's in the box this month. I really like everything. I think everything in here is something I would use. So, oh, in the papers. Whoops, I almost forgot that. So I'm happy. I'm very happy with it. Even though they increased their price this month. So the box is $5 more. So I believe it's $29.99 or $98. And then you pay $5 thereabouts for shipping. And then, of course, tax for whatever tax is in your state. So my total was $36.70. Let's look really quick and see what the value was for everything. We'll just do that really fast if you're interested. So we have papers, $10.98. The block, $4.98. I usually just round it up. Charm packs, pin cushion, glasses, table runner pattern. So $62.67, they're right around there. So let's see if I subtract. Can't talk today. Take away what I paid. So $25.97 retail. Okay, that's not bad. And I like everything, so I'm happy. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Go out there and make something. Bye for now. See you next time.